Let me show you how to make a daily planner in Notion. And I'm going to show you the easiest and the simplest way to get started to create this if you're new to Notion. So once you're into Notion, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and ensure that you create a new page or add a new page. And on the bottom here, just go to templates. Now from here, you can just simply go ahead and type in, for example, daily planner. For example, you can type that in and hit search. Now you'll find a ton of different planners that you can add. For example, this is a daily planner as you can see here, or you can just simply scroll down where you'll find more planners, weekly planners, daily planners that you can literally work with. Now I like this one here, nicely colored and it looks good. So let's say I want to use this, for example. I can click on this, you can preview what it looks like, and if you like it, you can go ahead and click on add, and it takes a few seconds to add that in so that you can quickly use it. As you can see, it's ready. You can simply click on see the template, or you can even click on it on the left hand side. And this is the daily planner that was created for me. Easy, simple, ready to go, and you can start using this daily planner right away. So let's say you're ready to go. You can simply go ahead and, for example, click on the plus in any one of these different dates, and you can add your item by writing whatever you want. Alternatively, you can simply do that as well if you click and, for example, new, and you can start filling whatever you want from here. And that's it, guys. That's how to quickly go ahead and add a daily planner or create a daily planner in Notion. Very easy and very simple. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.